The little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands. It's remembering to say I love you at least once a day. It is never going to sleep angry. It is standing together, facing the world. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. It is not only marrying the right partner, it is being the right partner.
I, Erik, take you, Alessandra, to be my wife.
I, Alessandra, take you, Erik, to be my husband.
I will cherish our friendship and love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I will trust you and honor you. I will laugh with you and cry with you. I will love you faithfully through the best and the worst.
Through the difficult and the easy.
As I have given you my hand to hold, so I give you my life to keep.
This is my solemn vow.
We are here today to recognize something magical. Something that has seamlessly disappeared in our society. Something so rare and beautiful. I am, of course, talking about the open bar.
The fact of the matter is that Erik has been and will always be a great person and friend. I unfortunately did not have the privilege of knowing Alessandra while I was growing up. It was like you had always been a part of our lives. You were an amazing person with a huge heart who was loved by Katie and I and all of Erik's friends and family.
It was a little over 2.5 years ago that Erik met Alessandra, and you could see the body language, you could see how happy they were together. I said to myself, man, that's love, baby. Erik and Alessandra, may you be blessed with continued good health, and may the happiness that you share only be exceeded by the love you have for each other. Hear, hear. Hear, hear.
I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Erik Lammers. You may seal your vows with a kiss.